Kids sleeping. The AI content agency set up for beginners. The baby is finally sleeping. You have maybe an hour before someone needs a snack or has a meltdown, and you're scrolling, seeing all these people talk about starting an AI business, building content agencies, making money while their laptop does the work. But every tutorial you click on assumes you have 8 uninterrupted hours, a team, and a degree in prompt engineering. Here's the truth, they're not telling you. You don't need any of that. What you need is a system you can build in fragments. 20 minutes here, 30 minutes there. A business that grows while you're making dinosaur-shaped pancakes. So let's talk about the AI content agency model, but the version that actually works for your life. Not the guru fantasy, the real setup, the one you can start this week with the time you actually have. First, let's clear something up. An AI content agency is not about replacing writers or tricking clients. It's about being the person who understands what businesses need, uses AI to amplify your output, and delivers results faster than traditional methods. You're the strategist, the project manager, the quality controller. AI is just your very efficient assistant, and businesses are desperate for this right now. Small companies need social media content. Local service providers need email sequences. E-commerce brands need product descriptions. They don't have the budget for a full agency, but they can't do it themselves either. That's your market. Here's what makes this perfect for the chaos of motherhood. You can build the entire infrastructure during nap times, then run client work in small pockets. No phone calls during business hours, no commute, no asking permission to leave early for a doctor's appointment. Let me walk you through the exact setup, not theory, the actual steps. First, you need to pick one service, not 10. 1. This is where most people fail because they think more options means more money. Wrong. More options means more confusion and zero credibility. Pick the thing you can deliver consistently while managing the beautiful disaster of raising humans. The easiest starting services for moms are social media caption packages, email welcome sequences, or blog post bundles. Why? Because they're project-based. You deliver the package, get paid, done. No ongoing retainers that require you to be available at specific times. No emergency client calls at 5 p.m. when dinner is burning. Let's say you pick social media captions. You're going to offer a monthly package. 30 captions, platform-specific, ready to post. Small businesses pay anywhere from $300 to $800 for this, depending on the niche and your positioning. Here's how you actually build it. During nap time, number 1, you set up your infrastructure. You need a simple website, not fancy, one page, Squarespace, Wixcard, whatever. Your page says exactly what you do, who it's for, and how to book a call or fill out a form. That's it. You don't need a blog. You don't need 10 service pages. You need one clear offer. While you're at it, create a Google Doc template for your client intake. What's their brand voice? Who's their audience? What are their goals? What topics do they want to cover? You'll send this to every client before you start. It saves you hours of back and forth emails. Nap time number 2, you build your AI workflow. This is where the magic happens, but it's simpler than you think. You're going to use ChatGPT or Claude, whichever you prefer. You're going to create a custom prompt that acts as your content production system. Your prompt needs to include the client's brand voice, their audience demographics, the platform specs, and the content pillars you're working from. You feed it the intake form responses, and it generates drafts. Not final copy, drafts. You're still the editor. You're still the one making sure it sounds human and actually connects. Here's the part no one tells you. The first time you do this, it'll take longer than you think. You'll need to tweak the prompts. You'll need to learn what makes good output versus robotic garbage. But by client 3, you'll have this dialed in so tight you can produce a month of content in 2 hours. Now, if you're working on a laptop during stolen moments of quiet, invest in something that makes the setup faster. I linked the budget-friendly wireless keyboard and mouse combo I recommend below so you don't waste time searching. It sounds small, but being able to work from the couch, the kitchen counter, or literally anywhere without dealing with the trackpad changes everything when you're constantly moving around the house. Nap time 3, you're building your client acquisition system. You're not doing cold outreach. You don't have time for that. You're going to leverage 2 things, local Facebook groups and your existing network. Join every local business group in your area, the Chamber of Commerce page, the small business support groups, the entrepreneur networks. Don't spam. Watch what people are asking for. When someone says they need help with social media or they're overwhelmed with marketing, you send a DM, friendly, helpful, hey, I actually help with this exact thing. Would you want to chat? At the same time, post on your personal page. Not a sales pitch, just a simple announcement. I'm starting to take on a few clients for social media content creation. If you or anyone you know needs help with consistent posting, let me know. You'll be shocked how many people respond. Your kid's friend's mom who runs a boutique. Your neighbor who just opened a coffee shop. Your cousin who has an Etsy store. This is not about going viral. This is about being visible to the people who already trust you. Here's the reality check you need. This is not passive income. It's not automated. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme. You're building a real service business. The AI makes you faster, but you still need to show up. You still need to communicate with clients. You still need to deliver quality. But here's what it is: a business you can run from your phone while your toddler watches Bluey for the 17th time. A business that doesn't require you to be on from 9 to 5. A business that pays you for the value you create, not the hours you sit in a chair. Your first client might take you longer than you expect. You'll second-guess your pricing. You'll over-deliver because you want them to be happy. That's normal. But by client 2, you'll start to see the system working. By client 5, you'll have a template for everything: onboarding, production, delivery, revisions, and then you'll have something most moms don't: leverage. You'll have money coming in that isn't dependent on someone else's schedule. You'll have skills that are in demand. You'll have proof that you can build something while simultaneously keeping tiny humans alive. Let's talk about pricing, because this is where people panic. You're not charging $10. You're not charging $50. You're charging based on the value you're providing and the time you're saving them. A monthly social media package should start at $400 minimum. If you're in a higher cost area or working with established businesses, $500 to $800. Do the math. 5 clients at $500 each. That's $2,500 a month. That's a car payment. That's groceries. That's the ability to say no to things that drain you because you're not financially desperate. And once you have 5 clients running smoothly, you can decide what's next. Do you raise your prices? Do you add a service? Do you bring on a contractor to help so you can take on more clients without working more hours? The options are yours because you've built the foundation. One more thing: you're going to have days where this feels impossible, where the kids are losing it and your laptop is covered in crumbs and you can't remember the last time you finished a thought. That's not a sign you're failing. That's just motherhood. The business doesn't have to be perfect. It just has to keep moving forward. You're not building this to escape your kids. You're building this to be more present with them. To not resent the chaos because you're financially stuck. To show them what it looks like to create something from nothing, even when life is loud and messy and nothing goes according to plan. You don't need 8 hours. You don't need silence. You don't need permission. You just need a system and the decision to start. Disclaimer: this content is for educational and informational purposes only and does not constitute financial or business advice. Earnings and results vary based on effort, market conditions, and strategy. Always do your own research before starting any business. Some links in the description may be affiliate links.